Want to scratch? I want to scratch.
Did you hear what he just said?
I want to scratch. Oh, does that feel good? What a good girl. Yes, you're very gentle now. What a good girl you are. You want more scratch? I want to scratch. I want to scratch. Are you done? No, not yet. You want more? Just tell me if you don't want to scratch. I want to scratch. Oh, apparently we're going to step up. Hi, Esha. How are you? And